video. Yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you guys how you bake a cake. And I'm going to be decorating it with some nice things. And I'm going to be using the cake box, the ingredients. So, yeah. So you're going to need a whisk. You're going to need this to smooth out the cake batter. This is optional. I use a spoon to scrape it out, or a wooden spoon to like mix it around. You're going to need 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 little chickies. Cake mix. And you're going to need a cup of water and 1/3 of cooking oil. You're also going to need a mixing bowl to mix it in. Then you're going to need your baking pan. I'm just using this because I want to serve a cake. And then you're also going to need some icing. And this is optional. So let's get on. So first I'm going to add my cup of water to my bowl. Then I'm going to add my 1/3 of cooking oil. I love the way the oil and the water it looks really good. Then you're gonna need 1 egg. I'm not a professional at breaking eggs. Then I chuck in. Need 1 more. Good egg. And the last little chickie from the crew to join them. As they always say, no man left behind. There you go. There you go. All nice. They got the whole family with them. Then I'm going to go ahead and batter after I am done whisking everything. So it's like fluffy like this until it looks like foam. Then you know it's ready. And now I am going to go ahead and open my cake batter and add it little by little. You can add the whole thing straight away, but I want to add mine small by small so I can get all the chunks out. Ooh, I can smell that chocolate. And then I'm just going to chocolate be done faster. And now, since I mixed it out, I'm going to pour all this. Bye. Guys, it smells so good. And I'm actually using the chocolate fudge mix. You can use the party mix, regular chocolate, or the French vanilla. But I just wanted something, you know, chocolatey, because I love chocolate. And I also do love vanilla. So guys, I am all done mixing in my cake batter. You don't have to use this. You can use the one, like the automatic one, but I just have this one, so I use this one. It's over here. So I have this, and then I'm going to add the oil. The reason why it's so important to add the oil, you can use this, you can use like the regular oil, you can use spray oil, but I just wanted to use this one. The reason why you're supposed to use the oil is, and it's because like it's easier for when you bake the cake for it to come out. It doesn't stick to the pan. So it's good to clean after yourself, so you have less things to wash. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this, my little spatula scraper. That's what I call it. And then I'm gonna turn the bowl like this, upside down, and just drizzle it all over. So you can try to kind of make it even at first. Yeah, that looks yummy. Okay. I can't see inside the bowl because I'm so short. Okay. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Much out as I can. That actually looks like a good amount. I like to swirl it. Come on, let's go. Okay. I think that's all I can get out. I'm not sure. This looks so. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees for about a good 10 minutes. Let me put my mitts on so I don't get burned. Oh, one thing, make sure that you supervision when you are dealing with these hot stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Should I put it at the top or should I put it at the bottom? My mind's like, okay. Now I'm gonna put the cake inside. The heat's so hot. Ooh, it looks so good. So, yeah. I will get back to you guys when the cake is done and I'm about to frost. Oh, I'm back, guys. I'm ready to get the cake. Don't mind the pot on my stove. My mom is actually cooking. Cake. This is heaven. That is so pretty. I'm ready to turn off the stove. Oh, there. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. This cake looks so good. I can't wait to begin. But after dinner. So I got my icing ready to ice the cake. And I'm gonna open it. Oh, so we actually have a vanilla icing. It looks like that. We love this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread it all over the cake. I'll try to use the whole thing. Oh, it just goes on so smooth. Look at that. And I get the first piece out of the cake because I'm the one who made it. The first person is always the chosen. I think you might need a little bit more. Gotta sprinkle. I'll take it out on a plate and design it, but the next video I make like this, I will take it out, put it on a plate, and then design it for you guys to see how I usually design the cake. But sometimes it ain't good, and sometimes it's perfect. I gotta get like all this icing off. I love it. Look at that. That's so pretty. It looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Ooh, this looks so good. I wish you guys could have a piece of this. I'm not the best cutter in the world. Okay. Oh my god, guys, it's still hot. Wow, you can see all that steam. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste the cake. It looks delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. As I said before, if you want more videos like this, comment down below, share, subscribe. Try to get this video to about, say, 20 to 50 to 100 likes. Yeah, so if you want more tutorials like this, comment down below. Yes, no, or maybe so. and just give this video the biggest thumbs up ever, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.